What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how to steal landing pages, how to copy them just by screenshotting, right? So this is literally will work with pretty much any single page that you want to take. So for this example here, we're going to be using MCA because I know a lot of people really want an MCA website or whatnot, and they just don't know how to do it, or they don't want to pay someone to do it, or whatever the case may be, right? But this literally works with any website, okay? So we already got the page up here, and we can literally just start screenshotting, right? So if you're gonna just like screenshot 100%, I recommend that you take these out right here, so that way you don't have to play around with lining them up and stuff like that. So I would take this and then like delete all of this. So if you know how to like edit and all that type of stuff, like on the page here in Chrome, and you go into inspect, and then you delete all of this stuff right there, then you would screenshot it, instead of going through all that. But I'm not even going to do that in this video because that's pretty confusing for newbies or whatnot. So let's just jump right into this. So first things first, we got to get our menu. And so we're going to go over to the menus tab, and I'm not going to make this 100, like spend 1,000,001 years on this, guys. We're literally just going through and setting this up. You guys can go through and set this up 100% if you want to. Well, I recommend that you do that. We're just literally just doing this just to show you guys how to do it. So all right, so let's copy these right here, so I can just paste this in the URL, so that way I can paste them one by one. So we're just gonna, so we need so we're going to put the About tab. Alright, we can change this, edit it, just go ahead and delete that. Then we got, so we got the Home, About, then we go MCA. Paste that in there. Then we got the Membership. Paste that in there. And we need Careers. Then we're going to paste that in there. Then we need Discounts. And then we're going to paste that in there. And God damn it, that was frequently asked questions. And then, right, let's do store, then contact. Boom. All right, so now we are going to go into our font, so we can have it like that. You can change whatever font you want to, and of course the color, so we can change that to black. And then right here, boom. So that's how you're gonna get it way smaller. And then that is pretty much it. So now we got that like that right there. And then that is pretty much it for that note right there. Now, obviously, like I said, guys, if you want it to look like exactly what you're doing, then obviously you can go through and change it all up and stuff like that, But for this example, we're literally just showing you guys how to do it by screenshotting and copying and pasting, right? So let's go ahead, take our picture now, put this in right here. Go ahead, put that in right there. Then you're going to drag it all the way, till you see the full image, and then you're going to push it all the way down, right? And then, boom. So you got to play with it just a little bit or whatnot, and then there you go. So you can make it smaller, bigger, it's completely up to you. Boom. And then if you need more room, just drag these to the side. Boom. All right. So then, there you go, just like that. Then you can have your phone number up here if you want, like the phone number, like the rectangle one, like how they have this little thing right here. All you would have to do is take this, change the color up or whatnot, and then like just drag this across the top. And then you can just drag this across the top, and then you would write on it, right? And that's literally all you would have to do for that. Now let's just get into the screenshotting and copying and pasting, right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to download this picture right here. And again, you can, like, if you want it to look exactly the same, guys, you're pretty much going to have to screenshot it. So you would screenshot this little bar right here, but you would have to take out all of these first before you do that. And like I said, you got to go through inspect and all that, and just basically delete those beforehand. So now again, let's go ahead and put our image in right here. Copy. All right, put this in right here. Same thing, we're just going to drag it. So put this in the corner, just like that. And then we're gonna drag it on out. And boom. All right, so now that's done. Then same thing, literally scroll down. And if you want it to look exactly the same, word for word, I mean, look, it's like everything just looks exactly the same. You go right here, you go right almost to the end. Like you don't want to start all the way over here. You start pretty much right there, give a little bit of slack, you know, and then you go like this, right? And you copy just like that. And then, you know, like boom, right? So now we got that. Then we're going to get this part right here. Then we're going to get that as well. Remember, just to give it a little bit of slack. This right here only works if your back page matches the other back page, right? So if you wanted to change the color to blue, this will not work. You will have to type it out. I mean, copy and paste the wording and then change the words to this right here, which is not an issue at all. You can literally just copy this and then change the font over on here to like match it if you wanted to do that, right? So next thing is, you know, again, we're going to get our picture. So this is literally just a bunch of pictures right now, guys, right? Except for the top part. So what was our, I think it was this one right here, if I'm not mistaken. So, all right, boom. So that was it right there. Then again, go all the way over and then you start pushing it in, right? So just like that and then boom, right? So then we drag it, put it right underneath the picture and then boom, look at that. Starting to come out, right? And then same thing here again, we put another picture in. And literally, guys, all you got to do is just copy and paste this stuff. Now, oh yeah, almost completely forgot there, right? A big thing is you don't want to copy word for someone else's stuff too, depending on what you're promoting. Like, if you're promoting something that's like trademarked by another like marketer or something like that, you definitely don't want to like just do this 100%, you know, unless you're promoting their product. Then obviously they won't get mad or anything like that. But yeah, always make sure you do, like, you don't just copy 100% if, you know, they're like, if they have their stuff trademarked. But if it's just like a random person or something like that, then you should be pretty much good to go. Like this literally is just an example. I never recommend just copying 100%. You can always model it. But if you want to copy their page, like I said, if you're promoting their offer, and then let's say you're sending them to the checkout page, and you don't want to send them to the checkout page twice, right? So you copy their sales page and then you send them to the checkout page, you know, stuff like that. But right, so then next we're going to do our video. So we're going to copy the video here. So then we literally just take the video, put it in here, and give it a little bit of slack, drag it all the way over, you know, just like that. Then we're going to paste in our link here, paste, boom. All right, now it's gonna look a lot better once you know, like once it's like on the page and it's like buffered and everything like that, you know, so it'll look just like how it does on the other one. All right, okay, so just to where the black stops showing. Okay, then again, same thing, take our page here and we're going to go back to video, put in the YouTube video right here. And again, guys, you don't have to copy literally word for word. I mean, you know, you can model it and, you know, just take what you like, take what you don't like out of this, right? So I recommend that you always add your own flavor in this stuff. You know, just why not, you know? Like, it's always better to add your own flavor to stuff. So match that up like that. Then we're going to go down some more. And then the same thing, literally, we can type all this out, we'll copy this, paste it in there, or we can just literally just screenshot it, right? So again, this is literally all you have to do, guys. This is 90% screenshot, right? So that's why, you know, we're really doing a lot of screenshots, because that's pretty much what the whole video, you know, title was about, was just, you know, like just copying with screenshots. So let's go ahead, paste that in there. Same thing, boom. Alright, then we put the plan right here. And again, drag it all the way over. And then, you know, you definitely want to make sure that it like doesn't go too far over. You know, so just pay attention to that up top. Now for this one, you might have to, you know, take this out. I mean, like copy and paste it. I mean, not copy. Yeah, copy and paste it because it says click here. So obviously this is an image, so you can't like have it to where it does that. And you could take the whole image and link it to wherever, you know, this page goes right here so they can see more benefits as well. If you wanted to do that way, again, you just got to play around with it. So again, that's completely up to you. So next thing again, and like I said, guys, this is literally just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So this would take about another like maybe 10, 15 minutes, you know, to like make it look all nice and neat and stuff like that. But this is literally all you have to do, guys. It's just literally copy and paste everything. And I always do recommend, because you can just go through and just like copy it all in like one time. But I recommend doing it one at a time, like just in case something goes wrong or, you know, something like that. And then on these short ones right here too, you know, just because the other ones, you know, went out that far, you should still make them go out that far, even if it's like super short like this. But again, you can always test it out and see which one works best, like which works best with your landing page. So I'm gonna drag that down here. Again, boom, take the latest one, drag it on over. Alrighty, so boom. You also want to make sure that, you know, you try to get it to look like around the same size as well, because if you make it too big, then it's good. The words are going to look better than this one. If you don't want to have to like play around with it and stuff like that, you know, trying to line it up and all that, then all you have to do is just literally copy and paste it over. Like I said, the only reason I'm doing this screenshots is right now because that's what the whole video like title and stuff is all about, is just screenshotting. So then again, right here, screenshot, and this is literally it, guys. I mean, this is literally all you have to do is just screenshot, 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 right? Add our photo, boom. And you can do this literally every single page. So, and drag this on over. Boom. Same thing right here. Put it in here. We're going to paste that in there. Same thing. Boom, right? Scroll down some more. So like, guys, this is like pretty like mind-blowing that you can literally just copy someone's whole page without doing pretty much any work at all, right? And then like this, since this is MCA right here, I mean like this is pretty much all like MCA stuff from their page anyway, so literally it's like you wouldn't get in trouble from this right here. Cause I mean this is literally all MCA shit anyway, right? So let me just take these, copy, you know, so this is nothing but, so far guys, all we've done is just screenshots and copy and paste. Now I don't recommend doing a mixture of both of them like right back to back, because, you know, unless you're going to, you know, do the work and find out exactly what you know, text size and all the other stuff that they're doing, so that way it matches up from the screenshot, because obviously you can't change the screenshot. So then we're just going to go ahead in here, put in some more images, and, you know, same thing again. And go back to the downloads, and then where did we leave off? Right here. So then we're just going to drag it on out. Alright, so we're going to drag it on out. So then come down. Oh, that's the whole image right there. That's why I wouldn't go down any lower. Okay, sweet, boom. But let me make sure that was a whole image. Oh yeah, that was a whole image. Okay, so I thought that was there was more to that image, but there was not. So then again, we're gonna drag it down here. Now, again, guys, like I said before, you can add your own flavor to this. Like, you don't have to literally copy word for word, but if some reason you need to copy word for word or something, or like their page isn't working, or again, like I said before, if you're promoting their product and instead of sending them directly to like the home page, I mean to the sales page right out the gate or whatnot, like the checkout page, you can send them to like one of their other pages that looks just like this. Like, look, that follows their whole little theme and stuff without having to create your own unique page. It doesn't match up with their font and all that other stuff. So again, let's try that. Well, that's pretty decent. We'll just leave that like that. Then I think I already downloaded all of those. And like I said, guys, this is literally it. Like, I know, like, I could have like stopped the video a minute ago or whatnot, when it came to like, because literally this is gonna be the whole thing, guys. Literally just copying and pasting. But I just want to show people how, how to do this. Like, literally, you can build this whole website out for somebody. I forgot to mention this at the beginning, but if you have like a pro membership, then you can literally just get these pages made. They're already pre-templated up for pro members or whatever, and all you gotta do is and this whole website will be done in 45 seconds. Forgot to mention that at the beginning, but I mean, if you're in here, you already know that anyway. But so get our last picture here. Then go ahead with this picture right here. Now, again, guys, like I said before, you can go through and set these all up, and make it look real nice and pretty. Literally, I'm just throwing this together just to show you guys how easy it is to do this, right? So then we set that up like that, and so it would take you a little bit to make this, but if you wanted to save some money or whatnot, then this would work fantastically for you. And boom, so it looks like we're pretty much done with. For this right here, you would save the image for the button. So you save the image of the button, and then over when you put it on your page, all you would do is just put that stuff. Oh, it's just link your page to it wherever you want them to go. Boom. So I don't know how long this video is right here, but we pretty much did all of this here in just a short amount of time. Hold on, wait, we got the wrong image. This is it. No, that's not it. How did that image go? What are we trying to copy? There we go. Then again, same. Look, like I said, guys, this is literally all you have to do. Like, you can charge people to do this, right? And like a lot of MCA members would pay for someone to do this type of stuff here. So if you're a pro member, like I said before, you can literally just build them out a website in 45 seconds and then charge them like $50. And so we would take our button now. Now you can create a button here if you want to, but if you want to follow again, like I said, exactly to the T, we're going to put in our button again, downloads, put in the button, then you would take this right here, boom, and then we're going to take our last one right here. Oh, now that I think about it, I probably already had this saved, but okay, so that makes sense now. Alrighty. Now, then that is pretty much it. And then of course you would always just throw your footers. it right here. I have no idea what's wrong with what's getting up with the screenshot thing here. That's Apple for you though. But I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. You guys get the gist of it by now. So then we just click view website or whatnot. And literally, guys, that's it, right? So we can go through again, like I said, and copy word for word. I mean, like, change it up a little bit, and that's it. Like, so that's all you have to do. Literally, that's it. So this is the original one right here. Pretty much the only big differences is, like I said, is this part up here. And to change that, all you have to do is just go in and inspect, delete all of these, and then you would screenshot it, because you have to screenshot it without these two in there, or you screenshot it without. Basically, this is the main part you need to get rid of. If you're going to screenshot it, you have to get rid of this. If you want this exact color here, you have to you can edit this, change the numbers here, then screenshot it, But this right here, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You have to delete this right here, right? And then, so again, this is so you see, like I said, the only main difference is the top, right? And obviously we didn't change the color or whatnot, and our logo was a bit big right here. So again, we can go through and do the minor details like this right here and stuff, and then you would just go through and copy the entire page. Now again, like I said before, if you're on the Pro, then literally all you have to, this whole website gets built out for you in a few seconds, right? So you can go through and change the whole stuff. Like I said, guys, literally, like, look at that, right? If we wanted to, we can make this video smaller so we can match it. Again, those are little details there or whatnot. But so you can see, boom, check that out. So that is pretty much it there, guys. That's it. So we can go through again, like I said, and put the stuff at the bottom and all that, for your terms and conditions. You always want to make sure you have that on the page. But for the most part, guys, that's all you're gonna have to do for this right here. All right, so it's gonna take a little bit of work, but it'll save you, I don't know how much they charge for these pages here, probably like $100 or something. So it'll save you $100, and it's only about a good, like, maybe an hour or two worth of work. I haven't checked out the other pages or whatnot, but literally, as you can see, all you're doing is screenshotting and, basically copying and pasting. And that is it, guys. That's literally all you have to do to steal someone's landing page when it comes to screenshotting, right? So hope this helped you guys out. If you're not in builderix.com, there's a link down below, or you can just simply go to builderix.com. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.